I welcome you all to this session on internal reconstruction. In this session, I'm planning to solve two problems of small problems. Uh, First, let me go through the problem number one. Internal reconstruction. This second session. The following is the balance sheet of Bharat Company Limited on 31st December 2020. Liability authorized capital 10,000 preference shares of 100 each 10 lakh, 10,000 equity shares of 100 each 10 lakh, total 20 lakh. You are not supposed to take that for the total. Subscribed capital 7 lakh, 7,500 preference shares of 100 each 7.5 lakh, 5,000 equity shares 100 each 5 lakh, sundry creditors 30,000, bank ordered 20,000, total 13,000, 13 lakh. Patented cost 8 lakh 50,000, leasehold premises 1 lakh 30,800, plant and machinery 42,400, stock on hand 55,000, discount on issue of shares 18,000, sundry debtors 76,500, preliminary expenses 12,000, profit loss account 1 lakh 15,000, cash in hand 5,000. The company suffered huge loss. Company suffered huge losses and are not and are not able to was not getting on well, and therefore it was decided to reconstruct the company. The following scheme was adopted. Preference shares are to be reduced to an equal number, fully paid shares of 50, 100 each to be reduced to 50, means 50 to be transferred to capital reduction account. Equity shares are to be reduced to an equal number of fully paid equity shares of 25 each, 100 to 75. The amount thus rendered available for reduction of used for reduction assets the portion as follows: preliminary expense, profit loss account, and discounted shares to be written off entirely. See, even if this sentence was not there, you first consider profit for this purpose. Then 30,800 of the leasehold premises, 15,000 of the stock, 20% of plant and machinery and sundry debtors, and balance available if any to write off the patents. Pass journal entries, prepare balance sheet of giving effect to this. So first, for the reduction of capital, both preference and equity are reduced to 50 each. So now it is not authorized. Subscribe 7,500 into 100, that is to cancel. Now changing, that is old preference capital to 50 rupee preference share capital, 7,550, 7 lakh, 3 lakh 75,000. Balance, that is the profit, excess capital now on reduction to capital reduction account 3 lakh 75,000. Fully paid 100 rupees 100 preference share capital reduced, fully paid 52. Yes. Then second one for equity, same way, 100 rupee 100 equity shares. You can say equity shares old and new like, or 100 5 lakh to 25 each now. So 5,000 into 25, 1 lakh 25,000, difference 3 lakh 75 to capital reduction. That is again profit, same narration. This amount so available should be utilized as told in the problem. First, to utilize 50 years assets and loss. Say capital reduction account, in first entry credited for 3 lakh 75,000, again in second entry also credit for 3 lakh 75,000, 7 lakh 50,000 to preliminary expense, profit loss account, discount and issue of shares as it is from the given balance sheet. Then leasehold property, it is told by 30,800. That phrases you should clearly understand. You see there entirely. Then 30,800 rupees, 30,800 of the freehold, 15,000 of stock. See these two, 15,000 stock, this one And this one 12,000, okay, 30,000 and 15,000. Then machinery 20%, 8,440. Debtors 20%, 15,300. Then balance if any to write out patents. So a huge amount is available, and you have to see the amount of patent. See, patent cost 8,50,000. Now 5,000, 35,000. In the sense, in the new balance sheet, remaining patent will come. So authorized as it is subscribed now 5,000 equity shares of 25 each from first entry, whatever you have credited. The second entry, then 7,500 preference shares of 50 each, that's from first entry. Center creditors and bank ordered as it is, not change. Patents 8,50,000 minus 5,35,000 for 60 written off. It is there in the above amount. Yeah, that amount. So difference 3,14,540. Leasehold premises out of 1,30,800, 30,800 deducts 1 lakh. Plant and machinery balance now. All net stock also balance, 100 debtors back. Cash in hand as it is. You see now nothing for 50 is asset, everything utilized. So now the balance sheet of total after under reconstruction 5,50,000. It's about first problem. The second problem, balance sheet of Chaitanya Limited as on 31st December 2020 is as follows. Share capital 30,000, 8% preference shares 100 is 3 lakh. 1 lakh equity shares of 5 each 5 lakh. 14% debentures 2 lakh, creditors 3 lakh. Goodwill 2 lakh, land 4 lakh, machinery 2,50,000, tools 1 lakh 5,000, stock 1 lakh, data 65,000, cash 10,000, profit loss account 1 lakh 75,000, total 13 lakh, same as above, but the problem is different. On this date, it was decided to reconstruct company and the following scheme of reconstruction was agreed upon. Point 1. The creditors to accept 14% debenture to the extent of half of their dues and the balance to be paid after 6 months. You see, what is the amount of creditors there? 3 lakh. Accept 14% debenture to the half. So, 1/3 of 14%, not this 40% debenture, new issue. Then preference shares to be reduced to shares of 5 each, reduced to. Now it is 10 to 5 means both one and same. Equity shares to be reduced to rupee 1, in this sense 4 rupee reduction. The debit balance of profit loss account and goodwill to be written off. Debit, land and build land to be reduced by 79,000 to that amount. Machinery by 40,000, loose tool by 48,000, all to that extent. RBD to the extent of 8,000 to be created. RBD now to be created. That is by using this part. Journal entry. Give journal entry, prepare reconstruction account and constructed balance sheet. So first entry for the reduction. See, you are asked to prepare capital reduction, not capital reduction, reconstruction account. So reconstruction account is nothing but capital reduction account. Now you have to give effect to reconstruction account here. 8% preference share capital 30,000 to 5, 1,50,000. That is old. Equity both can combine. Equity share capital. To the extent reduction only taken here. You can pass entry like this also. Say 8% preference share 3 lakh to 8% preference shares 3 lakh, that is 10 each, to 8% preference shares 5 each to reconstruction account, that's 1,50,000. Then equity share capital account 5 lakh, to equity share capital account 1 lakh, to reconstruction account 4 lakh. That you can pass like that or straight away this entry. So now 5,50,000 balance in reconstruction, that is profit through reduction of preference as well as equity share capital. It is said that 50% creditors agree to take debentures 1,50,000 out of 3 lakh 15 is 1,50,000 to 40% debentures. Don't confuse percentage same 14, that is not the debentures which are there in the liability side, it is additional, it has to be added. Then remaining creditors, what is said, half of dues and balance to be paid after 6 months. So now on this day you have to show it as a creditors only. Use now reduction balance, capital reduction or this reconstruction balance. whatever you have credited on reduction of preference and equity capital, that 5,50,000 from first entry. Profit loss account goodwill to be eliminated 1,75,000 and 2 lakh. Land to the extent of 79,000, machinery to the extent of 40,000, tools to the extent of 48,000, and to RBD. So RBD in this sense you have to create now out of profit. This is the entry, journal entry, and balance sheet. You see, sorry, reconstruction account asked first by preference capital, by equity capital 5,50,000. These all last entries items on the credit side, debit side now, from credit to debit. Profit loss account, goodwill account, land account, machinery, tools account, RBD account. So 5,50,000. There is nothing left. If anything left in 5,50,000, no, that has to be transferred capital reserve. In the coming problem, you may get such item. Now the balance sheet of a company after reconstruction. The liability side only whatever required under share capital. 30,000 8 per preference shares 5 each. See, 10 reduced to 5, 1,50,000. Then 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 1 each, 5 reduced to 1. To this entry is not given, you have to include that, or and 40% debentures, that's secured loan, 2 lakh earlier plus now 1,50,000 given to creditors. Then creditors 3 lakh minus 1,50,000, 1,50,000 balance left. Land 4 lakh minus 79,000, machinery 2 lakh minus 40, tool 1 lakh minus 48, stock 1 lakh, debtor 65,000 minus 8,000, that's RBD now. Cash as it is 10,000. So balance sheet total of, in this case, 7,50,000. This is all about the second problem. In the same video, we have two problems. Thank you.